Your phone is already in your pocket. Now make it the most powerful organizational tool you own. Introducing Scan and Save, the scanning app on Google Play that turns your Android into a full document management system in seconds. Students, scan your notes, assignments, and school forms the moment you're done with them. Everything stays organized, searchable, and ready when you need it most, whether it's the night before finals or the morning a project is due. Families, think about all the paperwork that piles up at home. Medical records, school forms, family IDs, insurance documents. With Scan and Save, you scan them once, organize them instantly, and find them in seconds. Clean home, clear mind. And for businesses, large or small, Scan and Save handles your receipts, invoices, contracts, and expense records with speed and precision. Go paperless, stay audit ready, and stop losing time hunting through stacks of paper. The app is fast, clean, and incredibly simple to use. Point, scan, save. Your documents are organized from the moment you capture them. And here's what really sets Scan and Save apart. It is the most affordable scanning app available on Google Play. You get full-featured document scanning without the steep price tag of competing apps. Scan and Save is built for everyone. Students, families, businesses, anyone who wants to get organized and stay that way. Download Scan and Save today on Google Play for Android. Your paperless life starts right now.